Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com Pulses. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that helps teams manage their work and boost productivity. Pulses are a key feature in Monday.com that enable teams to track and manage their tasks and projects in real time. To start using Pulses, you need to create a new pulse or add a pulse to an existing item. A pulse can represent a task, project, or any other work item that you want to track. When creating a pulse, you can add relevant details such as the pulse name, description, and due date. Once you have created a pulse, you can add columns to track specific information related to the pulse. For example, you can add a column to track the status of the pulse, another column to track the priority, and another column to track the assigned team member. To add a column, simply click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the pulse table and select the column type you want to add. Monday.com offers a wide range of column types, including text, date, number, and drop-down columns. After adding columns, you can start tracking your pulses by updating the column values. For example, you can update the status column to reflect the current status of the pulse, such as in progress or completed. One of the key benefits of using pulses is that they enable real-time collaboration and communication among team members. Team members can comment on pulses, add files, and mention other team members to notify them of updates. To take your pulse management to the next level, you can use Monday.com automation features to automate repetitive tasks and workflows. For example, you can set up an automation to send a notification to a team member when a pulse is assigned to them or when a pulse is due. Best practices for using pulses include keeping your pulse table organized, using clear and concise column names, and regularly updating your pulse values. By following these best practices and using pulses effectively, you can streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and achieve your goals. In conclusion, pulses are a powerful feature in Monday.com that enable teams to track and manage their tasks and projects in real time. By creating pulses, adding columns, and tracking updates, teams can collaborate more effectively and achieve their goals. Remember to keep your pulse table organized, use clear and concise column names, and regularly update your pulse values to get the most out of Monday.com Pulses.